users, and friends. Thank you for joining me. My name is Carla. I am the Director of Education and Partnerships at NeedyMeds. And with today's presentation, I will explain everything you ever wanted to know about our drug discount card. Before I get started, I want to go over a few things. You can feel free to ask questions by typing them into the questions section of your GoToWebinar control panel, but I will reserve answering questions until the end. If I don't get a chance to answer your question, I will follow up with you via email. I will provide the contact information for NeedyMeds and myself at the end. This webinar is being recorded and will be available on our YouTube channel. A copy of the PowerPoint slide deck can be found in the handout section of your control panel. So let's get started with what is NeedyMeds. NeedyMeds is a national nonprofit founded just over 2 decades ago by retired physician Dr. Rich Sagal, who is still our president. On your screen is all of our formal wording, including our mission statement, vision statement, and how we achieve our mission. But simply put, NeedyMeds connects people to programs that will help them afford their healthcare expenses. And we do that free and anonymously through our website, needymeds.org, and our helpline, 1-800-503-6897. And one of the most popular and efficient ways we help people to save on meds is with the NeedyMeds drug discount card. With our drug discount card, users can save between 0 and up to 80% off the cash price of prescriptions and over-the-counter medications and supplies written as prescriptions. You can even use the drug discount card to save on your pet meds. Some things to keep in mind. Not every drug will have a discount. Discounts will vary from month to month and pharmacy to pharmacy. 85% of the time our card is presented to the pharmacist, a discount is provided, and usually that discount is about half off the cash price. Some other details about the card. The drug discount card is free and anonymous. We do not know who is using the card or what prescription is getting filled. We just track the dollar amount of savings and the number of times our drug discount card is being used. Since the cards have no identifying information, that means you can share the same card with family, friends, neighbors, and loved ones. The card requires no activation or registration. It never expires. There are no residency, income, or insurance guidelines. And chances are you will find a pharmacy in your area that accepts the NeedyMeds drug discount card, since it is accepted at more than 67,000 pharmacies nationwide, including major and local chains. The NeedyMeds drug discount card is ready to use. Just bring the card to the pharmacy with the valid prescription from your doctor and save. You can also use your drug discount card to save 40% off the list price of durable medical equipment. This includes products such as diabetic supplies like needles, testing strips, meters, splints and braces for your ankle, knee, neck, and back, for example, catheters and incontinence supplies, bath safety supplies like commodes and grab bars, mobility devices such as canes, crutches, walkers, and wheelchairs, footwear like inserts, and so much more. Simply go to dmemyvirtualdoctor.com. Click on the Shop Now button to browse the selection of durable medical equipment, or search by product category. At checkout, you will enter the ID code on your NeedyMeds drug discount card and click Apply Code. Easy as that. So let's talk about how the drug discount card works. All drug discount cards work in a similar way. They work through a pharmacy benefits manager, PBM, or adjudicator who sets up the network of pharmacies and negotiates prices on behalf of the marketer, which in this case is NeedyMeds. As I pointed out before, prices and discounts will vary from month to month and from pharmacy to pharmacy. The price you pay using a drug discount card is the sum of 4 figures. The price plus 3 transaction fees. 1 for the PBM or adjudicator, 1 for the pharmacy, and 1 for the marketer, which again, in this case, is NeedyMeds. If you are getting a discount, that means pharmacies are getting a lower price for the drug. So why would they accept a drug discount card? Well, there are 4 basic reasons. They're still making a profit, even if it is discounted. They are making a sale they might otherwise lose. If you go to the pharmacy and the drug costs $200 without a drug discount card, but $100 at another pharmacy that does not accept the drug discount card, well, the customer is going to go where the discount is. Customer loyalty. If you know you are going to get discounts at a particular pharmacy, that is where you will continue to get your prescriptions filled. Extra sales. There is a reason pharmacy counters are at the back of the store. When you go to pick up your prescription, as you walk down the aisles, you will probably pick up other things you need because it's convenient. Shampoo, tissues, maybe a pair of sunglasses. And of course, pharmacies do not want to be the only store around not accepting the drug discount card. So, who can use this card? Simply put, anyone. The only rule is that it cannot be combined with insurance. So, if you are uninsured, you can use the card anytime. If you have insurance or drug coverage, you may choose to use the card instead. And you may choose to do that if, for example, your medication is not covered, maybe you find yourself in a coverage gap, maybe you have a high copayment or high deductible, or maybe you've exceeded a cap for drug coverage. If you have drug coverage, it's worth comparing the price you would pay with your insurance against the price the drug discount card offers. 5 to 10% of the time, the drug discount card will offer you a better rate than insurance. There are other drug discount cards out there, so how does ours differ? Well, first of all, we hope you don't have to use our drug discount card. Ideally, everyone would have the coverage they need. If not, our primary goal is to connect you to a program that would help you afford your medications. If we don't have such a program, we want to be able to provide you with some discount, which is why we created our own drug discount card. Also, as I mentioned before, you can remain anonymous using our drug discount card. We do not know who is using the card or what prescription is getting filled. Since there is no identifying information, you can share the card with your loved ones. Also, we do offer a very low transaction fee, passing more savings on to our card users. But the fee we do collect supports the nonprofit work we do of providing healthcare cost savings programs to those in need. Now, let me transition to our live site so I can show you how to get your drug discount card and maximize savings. If you let your mouse hover over that patient savings tab, you will see a link for the NeedyMeds drug discount card on the top left-hand side as well as the bottom right-hand side. On the left-hand side of the page, you will also see a box with a red arrow that says Get Your NeedyMeds Drug Discount Card. All three of those links will take you to the NeedyMeds Drug Discount Card page, where you can print out a downloadable PDF. You can request a drug discount card by filling in the form below, being sure to choose a design. You can mail a request for a drug discount card with a self-addressed stamped envelope to our P.O. Box. And you can always call our expert call center counselors at 1-800-503-6897. If you work for an organization, we can customize drug discount cards with your organization's name and logo, free of charge, and mail you an unlimited supply of plastic cards and a downloadable PDF. To learn more, go to the Advocates tab and click on the Drug Discount Card Partnership hyperlink. Now, I want to show you how to find participating pharmacies and how to use the drug pricing calculator to compare prices and maximize savings. Returning to the drug discount card page, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see a pharmacy search. Just type in the zip code where you want to pick up your medication and the distance you're able to travel, and click search. A list will pop up showing you the pharmacies in your area that accept the drug discount cards and the details about that pharmacy, including the name, the address, and the phone number. You can even click on Print All to print out this list of participating pharmacies. So let's say now you have your drug discount card and you know what pharmacies in your area accept it. The final step is to find out how much the medication will cost using the drug discount card. On the left-hand side is our drug pricing calculator. To find out what your medication will cost, you will need 4 pieces of information: the pharmacy zip code, where you would like to pick up your prescription, the prescription name, the dosage, and the day supply, meaning is the prescription for 30, 60, or 90 days, for example. With the pharmacy tracker and the drug pricing calculator, you can find out where to pick up your medication and what you will be paying before you head out the door. If you don't have access to a computer or internet, you can always call our counselors at 1-800-503-6897, and they can find out those details for you. Before I transition out of the live site back to the PowerPoint, I want to point out that if you are looking for other ways to save on your medications, let your mouse hover over that patient savings tab. I'm sure you noticed all this other text that popped up when we were searching for those drug discount card links. These are all the different categories and ways you can save on healthcare expenses. As you can see, we have specific categories for prescription assistance programs, our $4 generic discount drug programs, free, low-cost, and sliding scale clinics, coupons and rebates, diagnosis-based assistance programs, medical transportation, retreats, camps, recreational programs, and educational scholarships, as well as government programs. If you want to learn more about these other resources, I encourage you to sign up for our monthly overview webinars. And you can register for an upcoming overview webinar on our calendar of events on the bottom right hand of the homepage. So let's transition out of the live site and back to the PowerPoint so I can answer some questions that are coming in. And again, you can go ahead and submit any questions you may have by typing them into that question section on your control panel. And as I take those questions, as promised, you will find the contact information for us. At the top, you will find contact information for my colleague Alana. If you would like to order a bulk supply of drug discount cards or some of our educational brochures, please reach out to her. Any questions about this webinar, you can reach out to me. And of course, you can call our expert call center counselors at our toll-free helpline. They're available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So I do see some questions coming in. The first one I'll get to is, what if I find a pharmacy in the pharmacy search, but when I present my NeedyMeds drug discount card, the pharmacist does not accept it? That's a great question. This does not come up very much, but in the odd chance that this happens, there is a phone number on the back of the card for the pharmacist to call. If they still will not accept the card or can't make the call, let me know. You can email me. If a pharmacy is included in our list of pharmacies accepting our drug discount card, that means they are contractually obligated to accept it. Sometimes there is a new staff member or pharmacist that has not yet been trained. Providing me with as much information as possible, such as when and where this happened and the name of the pharmacist, would be helpful. Another question coming in is, you mentioned this webinar is being recorded. Where can I find it? Thanks for bringing this to everyone's attention. You can find all previously recorded webinars on the NeedyMeds YouTube channel. There is an icon for it on the top right of our homepage with all the other social media icons. It's the third one from the left. You can always go to YouTube and search for NeedyMeds. I suggest subscribing so you know when new webinars are being added. And don't forget, you can find all upcoming webinars on the calendar of events on the bottom right hand of our homepage. Another question coming in. In the beginning, you mentioned you can use the drug discount card to save on pet meds. How? Actually, we put together a less than 10-minute video on how to use the NeedyMeds drug discount card to save on your pet meds. Go to the NeedyMeds YouTube channel and type the word pets into the search bar. Or you can email me and I will be happy to send you the link. We do try to keep the question segment brief, so if if you asked a question and I did not get the chance to answer it, I will email you. Thanks so much for your time, and we do hope you stay in touch.